Hello everyone. Here we go again. So, I'm getting prepared for another event tomorrow. These are all the flowers, well, some of them I should say. Right now they are getting hydrated. Look at these. These are called shimmer roses. You see how beautiful they are. These are hydrangeas. I love them because they're so fluffy. These are palms. And of course, got the carnations. All the way in the back right there. We got some, what are those? Scabiosos in the back. These, look at these roses. Oh my God, aren't they beautiful? And let's see if I can get all the way in the back. These are my candlelight white roses. See how it kind of give us white, but it kind of give that lighty in there. These are my tea light candles that I'm going to use for the tables. These are Italian ruckus is sprayed, and these are my yuke. These are cedar yuke, and then on here, way on there, we have the salad tips. I don't feel like going over it through that. These are the lanterns I'm going to be using tomorrow. It's a garden team. And these are the salad tips. So, it's a garden team wedding. Hello. So, you guys got to see a little bit of my work. So, usually, it's going to be a long night for me. So, usually the night before, a couple of nights before the wedding, I prep the flowers. Make sure they are properly hydrated, conditioned. We got to condition the flower properly, hydrate, condition it to make sure that everything is okay, the way it's supposed to look. They are blooming because when you buy the flowers from the wholesaler, if you haven't done that before, or they usually sleep, or sometimes somebody gave you roses, it's usually like tight. So when you bring there, you hydrate, you condition the flowers, and it kind of be in the force there, and it can last longer throughout the day. When you condition it, it can last for a couple of days. So that's what I do. The wedding is on Saturday. So some of the flowers that I need to work with, because I bring my work on, guys, I know a lot of times it's and that's the thing, when people think you're a business owner, they just think, oh, you just work and then you go to sleep and everything okay, you got everything. Trust me, as you guys see, there's some days that I'm working, that I think there's some men on social media where they say I quit my 9 to 5 because I didn't want to work 8 hours, and I own a business and I'm working 24 hours a week, and it's this, 24 hours a day. What did I get, 24 hours a week? Oh my God, I am tired and sleep deprived. Yes, I did say that. So at least you guys get to see it. As I said, once the season calm down, then I will start to do these videos so you guys see me putting the flowers together, some of the tricks and tools that you can need to be able to do your event. I cannot wait. I am super excited. You just don't know. So as I said, that's what my days like. Some of them I kind of bring them home to kind of get a head start on the day, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the venue because it's like I'm decorating the ceremony, and then so we'll start the decor process tomorrow as early as noon. Sometimes even earlier than that, but for this event, because it's not, they are doing a garden team wedding, so the ceremony is gonna be on the branchwood tray with, as I show you guys, with a little bit of drippy, and then some flowers on there, touch of flower, not too much, just greenery, a little touch of flowers, and a lawn garden on the floor, and then you have some lantern, and this is really cool. So it kind of give it like this garden feel. And then in the ceremony, we're gonna have the lantern centerpieces, which is so unique, guys. I cannot wait. I should put some picture up. I'll try to do it. I'm going with some candles, some tea light candles, which I just showed you guys. So we're gonna have the centerpieces with a little bit of flowers and a garland centerpiece around the lantern, and it's gonna be in different colors. So like all those flowers you see from the shimmer, the tea light candles, the tea light roses, candle. Oh my goodness, guys, candlelight Candlelight white roses. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted today. But yes, so we're gonna have all of that together, and once I get done, I will try to put some pictures up so that you guys can see and know. But I wanted to bring you guys in so you can see the before, and then that way when the after come, you'll be like, oh my God, look at it! It look how it come up. So yeah, so that's my next 24 hours. That's what it's gonna be like, and so this is the first wedding that I have in October, and then I have another one each day this month. So I have, and then 1 week I have two event. I think it's the weekend of the 15th. No, the week, yeah. So I'm going to Jersey the weekend of the 15th. Then I'm going to Maryland, and then back to Pennsylvania, and then I'm gonna go back to Jersey, and then I'm gonna come back. So it's like it's different places. So it's kind of, and it's different events, not all wedding. One is I can't really say because I don't know who watching, but yeah, because I don't want to ruin it. So yeah, but it's exciting to get to do work, especially it's like the smell, guys. You don't understand. There's something about fresh flowers and the smell, the aroma. It just beautify. Not only did it beautify the room, but it smells so good based on setting flowers, and you get a combination. Oh my God! Like last weekend, I did one of my couple that won the free bridal bouquet at the Bridal Export. I need to put that picture up. She won a bouquet. So I did this beautiful wild, kind of like wildflowers kind of thing, flowers going on for her wedding. And the scabi was scabiosas. And I mean, it was, oh my, this smell, this scent. It was so like everywhere you pass, and as you pass, you can just smell the aroma. It was, oh my God, it was one of the car. But anyway, that is all for today, guys. I just wanted guys to bring you so you don't think like, oh my God, Linda forgot us today. She didn't get the chance to, but that's what I'm doing. It's a little crazy, so I had to pull away to just step aside and talk to you guys. But just to still to show you guys, what my day is like, what some of the things that I do, the process before a wedding. So the process, of, especially when I'm doing decor, is both sides tricky. If I'm doing planning aspect, I don't have to do all of this. It's just that I just make sure the timeline, make sure. So instead of doing what I'm doing now, I will be verifying with every vendor to make sure that they what time they're supposed to come. They make sure they got the timeline. Just making sure that my eyes are from the bridal party, everything. Just making sure that everybody's arriving, what time the flight's arriving, if they're not in town yet, what time they are arriving. So just make sure that everybody's where they're supposed to be and know where they're supposed to be at our time. So it's different. It's two different aspects: the planning aspect and both has its hectic moment. So the difference is between planning, I'll say the start decor. Decor is like when you are doing decor, after I do it behind scene and I set up, that's it. I can go home if I'm not doing planning, I can just go home, relax, and then come back after the venue. Most venue probably will allow you the stuff to stay there for 24 hours. They will let you pick it up the next morning based on the venue that the couple got. If it's a hotel or ballroom, like a place, but if it's like maybe like a banquet hall or something, or maybe they just rented a space, sometimes they don't do that. Most of the time they don't do that, but if it's like a well-renowned place like in a hotel, they'll let you keep the stuff there to 24 hours because they understand you're busy, you're tired. Wedding end like 11, 12, they don't expect you, and even staff want to go home. So we kind of get out and come back the next day. So that's when I'm doing the planning aspect after. So it's like from start to finish. So even do the behind the scene is not as hectic it is, but the planning is that it's day from the start to the end. You making sure that everything you are on your feet, you just going back. There's no break, there's no moment. And when you are doing both together, it's like when you get done, you go to the next one. But all of that, yes, it's a lot of work, but it's when you see it come together, oh my God, it's an amazing feeling. You don't understand. As a planner, when all your hard work and everything that you have been doing, and you see it come into offer, it's just amazing. You look like, wow, I did that. That's me. Good job. And everybody looking at that, and you hear, and especially when you're walking through the ballroom and you hear people talking about your work, that's the best feeling in the whole wide world. To be like, wow, I wonder who did it. Did you see that? Did you see this? This is really nice. Look at the detail. I never seen that before. That's That's the one of the best feeling in the whole wide world. But guys, as I said, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more cool and update stuff. You can follow me on my website, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. And I appreciate you guys more than you know. And there's a lot of cool things to come. Thank you and have an amazing day.